Hello guys, again, welcome to Immigration Central. Top 20 tips coming directly to you from Immigration Consultants of Canada Regulatory Council. That's directly from their website on how to prevent immigration fraud. I think this is the most important step and topic before you sign or start your application, and who can represent you, and how to find more information about the representative. So with that, let's begin with who can represent us. Immigration consultant, of course, immigration lawyer, friends, and family. Immigration consultants and lawyers are paid service, and of course, friends and family are unpaid, so do not pay your friends and family for immigration. They just give you tips and so forth. Licensed immigration consultants are called Regulated Canadian Immigration Consultant, or RCIC. Lawyer must be registered in one of the Canada's 13 law society or notary registered with the Chamber, the Notary de Quebec. It's very important to know that and be aware of that. Unlicensed immigration consultant may use different names to just deceive you, but you're looking for that RCIC or someone who is registered in Quebec. Notaries, you're looking for the Notary, the Quebec person. So also a person who holds diploma from immigration practitioner programs are not licensed to practice, and they cannot exchange their services for fee. They must be registered and authorized by RCIC. Be aware if you're asked to sign an agreement or a retainer agreement or service agreement. This service agreement outlines all terms, conditions, things that are offering you, timelines, and other important information about the services you're receiving from that firm. It has to be signed by you and the representative at the same time. So with that, you need to be mindful if you're asked to sign a retainer agreement with the company or another representative. It has to be directly with the licensed immigration practitioner. It cannot be with anyone else. And be aware if you're not asked to sign a representative and from form or IM 5476, which goes directly with your documentation to IRCC, and that is IRCC form. Do not sign a blank form of any kind without having proper information or has the false information. Don't sign it. Simple as that. Be wary if the person you're hiring as an immigration for immigration services do not give you a copy of your service agreement. That is a signed document by both parties. You have to have a copy of that document in your hand. Be cautious if you're asked to give cash. Cash is not traceable. You cannot prove that you've paid someone cash. So never pay cash for services. So with having said that, make sure to always look and ask for invoice. Provide you with the invoice for your record, and that is important step in that process. So please tell them, show me an invoice or give me an invoice. Be aware if you're charged additional fee, various different fees, it should be outlined in your agreement. They shouldn't be asking you for more money, because all services should be in that retainer agreement or service agreement. Be cautious. Sometimes they will be tricky to know which service is offered or not. Be careful. Don't get any advice or receive advice from agent, education agent, or recruitment that are offering immigration service. They're not authorized. They're not authorized to provide any information on immigration at all. Be aware if you're given guarantees. That's a telltale sign of scam right there. Guarantees, or nobody can guarantee any services. The decision is ultimately in IRCC's hand or the caseworker in IRCC. Be alert if you're guaranteed a job and immigration at the same time if you give them more money. And nobody can guarantee any services, and so be cautious of that. And guarantee does not exist in the immigration process. Immigration consultants and lawyers cannot provide you with that guarantee. Be aware if a person is telling you that I know so-and-so in immigration, Canada or IRCC, they can get this application done quickly. No. That's a no. With that, please subscribe. Don't forget to click on that notification. Always check to make sure immigration consultant is in good standing with ICCRC. It's an online register. You can go to this register and search for person or immigration consultant with their name, last name, city, country, immigration ID, by firm that they're working with or working for. So you can find out exactly if they're registered, they're valid, and they're they have good standing with the regulated agency. Be alert. Always look for that RCIC sign. That is a logo authorized by ICCRC. That's a corporate logo provided to authorized immigration consultants. So always make sure you know that is there on their website. Make sure your immigration consultant has error and omission insurance. That is when if they make an error or they lost your application, they can provide you or provide you with some sort of reimbursement or fees that are incurred. Be aware of person that they are not lacking the information and they're competent to provide immigration service to you, and that is by their code of professional ethics. And always tell the truth. Don't allow immigration, anyone to actually, in that matter of fact, to make you lie. With that, I thank you for watching this video. The source the information is coming from is ICCRC. Please don't forget to subscribe. That helps me go in and creating more new contents for you.